Hi friends, today I'm going to show you this tutorial number 3 to make a double crochet. So it's easy. I will show you the few steps you have to follow for each stitch. I have made few chains here. So these are 12 chains. I will leave first 2 chains and I will insert into the third chain. Okay, but this time I will take yarn over the needle. For single stitch, we don't take this yarn over the needle when we insert hook. Now I have taken this yarn over for double crochet. I'm inserting it into this and pull through. So now I have 3 loops on my needle. Okay. Again yarn over, pull through 2. Again yarn over, pull through 2. So this is what a double crochet is. Okay. Yarn over, insert in the chain, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So this is how it looks. Okay, as you continue your work, you will find how it looks. I will show you. So this is how a double crochet looks. It's a very beautiful stitch and foundation of the crochet. Now I will chain 2 and I am turning my work to work on these chains. First time I inserted into the loop of the chains. Once you have first row done, then we insert into the gap in between the loop and the stitch. So what I'm saying is the gap between the loop. So this is the chain and the loop is this one. So if I insert like this is the loop, but I'm not inserting into this. I am inserting into the gap between the stitch and the chain. So there are so many gaps. So if I insert into this is between the stitches. If I insert into this is the gap. Okay, so yarn over, insert between the stitch and the chain. Okay, the idea behind this is because if we insert it into the loop, we will see this chain separately. But now as I am inserting below this chain, I cannot see the chain. It is covered now. Okay, here, look here, look here, it is covered. If I insert in the loop, okay, the loop of the chain, I can see the half chain on this side, and on this side the chain is covered, right? But this side chain is not covered. We don't want that. So I will insert below the chain. This gives a clean look. See, same on the both sides. We will continue for few more stitches. Practice it. Let me know if you have any kind of questions, queries in the comment section. I will be answering them. So this is how it looks.